Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a custom stamp in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this custom stamp option. Click here and select here create custom stamp and select here browse option. Now open your folder and this way stamp, select open and give a name to this stamp. Anything you can type here, new stamp, and you can change that stamp opacity if you want and select OK and click on this stamp down arrow. Here you will find this custom stamp and select here, and here you can insert your stamp. You can increase decrease this stamp size if you want. Also you can rotate and see this, and here you can see the stamp opacity and see this. Yeah, this is in this way you can insert as many as stamp you want. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.